Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can force restart your Lenovo smart clock. First of all, you have to open this settings, then tap on the settings again, and there is like manual method for it by using this application, but also we can simply just unplug the cable right here. But let's make the first one. So tap on the three dots and tap to reboot. Click OK. And right now we have to wait. As you can see, there's this LED indicator in this place. It was 2 dots, right now it's 4 dots, and looks like we are going to restart our device. So just be patient and wait. As you can see right now, we can find this Google logo right here from the Google Assistant. Okay, and as you can see, there it is. That was the first method. And the second one, you can just make it like that. The soft reset by take off this cable and then plug it back. So yeah, that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.